Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial with React.js. So today we'll learn how to create a repository in GitHub, and our already exist a project to push our code in GitHub repository. So this is a very basic and simple step. So first we need to create a repository. So we are push this code to our Git repository. Create a repository. Name is code crafting as exist. First then our app name package.json, my React app. So copy this is a best practice. Place your app name like this. So this is your repository name as a public or private, so I add the public. Add a readme file. So choose a git.ignore or node.js. I think so React also exists. No, choosing a node.js. Already choose. You choose a license type is if empty, it's okay. Create a repository. So our repository successfully is created. So the next step is go to our application, clear the terminal. So here's a command: git remote add origin, spell mistake, origin is type of your repository URL. So copy, paste, git remote add origin your repository, add, enter. Maybe we have a login and other git account. Yes, first we need to log out that account. So go back to, so far we have add some command to change our username. We just add git config global user dot email. Here we add our email. So this is our email. Just press enter. So our global user is set. So now we need to add git remote add origin property. Press enter. Still same, not a git repository or anything parent on .git folder. So ls, yes, we are in a project folder. Let's figure out the why it's not adding our git remote repository to our project. So you just go to your Visual Code here, and here's option initialization. So press the initialization or otherwise a comment folder. So here's a comment, and then go back to your again add repository. So is you see remote origin is already exist. So our git repository is created. So next step is git add space dot. So our whole code is in add. So now next step is commit, git commit m. Here's your message: upload first version of app. The whole code is commit, git push. Press enter to mainstream. So git push mainstream. This copy this above command and paste. Press enter. So here's our sign in with browser, sign in with code. So his pop-up is appearing, so I'm passing the video when I for the confidential, and I'm signing and then go back here. So when we are using our device authentication via code, so after code entering, so it's allow access, allow Git repository authorization. So finally our Git repository is successfully connected. So push our code. Oh, git push. What happened? Let me check. No code here. What's the error? Will too much some reference. GitHub rejected main fetch first. Let me just remove this, save code, little changings, modify git add, git comment, and git push. It's again a printing error. Git branch, yes, main branch. So what happened to push the current branch and set up the remote upstream? Oh yes, copy, paste, enter. Rejected, failed to some reference. Okay, update are rejected because what content work. What do? Don't have locally. This is usually go back to a publish branch. Show command output. Was still same error here also. So figure out this error why come here. So we have trying to push code using force. Branch name is main, because this is the first time code. Is that difference between, yes, difference between our code and because the first time is a empty branch, so it's make an issue with you. So our code is successfully imported. So next time you don't need a force or anything else. You just changing your command, you just add. In our last lecture you can see here about on XJS. So XJS center git push again force. Yes, our app is successfully pushed. You can see here is pushed in XJS command and our code is here. Finally we have successfully Git repository, and we are facing errors. We are fixing those errors and now successfully configure our Git repository with our project. Thank you very much. If you like our video, please thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for latest and more content.